Hello everyone, this is Ranjeet, your math teacher. Once again, I welcome you all. And today I'm with a new topic, that is special types of quadrilateral. So let's see now what these properties, these types are. Okay. So with the flow chart, I try to explain the name of all the different special types of this quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, it means there will be in all the types 4 sides. Fine. So 1, 2, 3, there are 6. So 6 I'm making 7. One more I increase it and I write here. So first one is square. I think we are friendly with it, but still I'll explain. Second number is rectangle. The third one is rhombus. Fourth one, it is parallelogram. Fifth one is trapezium. And sixth one, it is kite. We have to know all these 6 different special types. Okay. Here, if we talk about the properties of these 6, we will always talk about 3 different things. That are, number 1, we talk about the sides, we talk about the angles, we talk about the diagonals. And in this video, you will find the properties of these 3 things. Okay, the relation of these 3 things. First of all, one more thing I want to clear it now. Today in this video, going to explain till 3 only. Okay, rest of the 3 in the next video I'll explain. Okay, so first of all I start with number 1, square. Just for identifying it, I'm making a diagram of it saying A, B, C, D. Here I have shown all the sides are equal. This is the property related to the sides of it. We will talk about the angles also, and after that diagonals also. So first of all I write about the sides. Let's see what side says. In a square, first of all you will write all the sides are equal. It means if it is 5 centimeters, so all the sides will be of 5 centimeter. Okay. So here we will write all the sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Sides are parallel. I think you are knowing about the meaning of parallel. Parallel means 2 sides, 2 line segments are said to be parallel if they do not intersect at any point. Fine. Means like a railway track, it doesn't intersect at any point. Okay. So now sides done. Now we talk about the angles. So for the angles, what you will say? You can see all the angles are of 90 degree, all are equal. Okay. So here you write all the angles are equal and of 90 degree. The next one is about the diagonals. Here you will find diagonals are equal and it will bisect at 90 degree. Diagonals, we have to write about it. diagonals are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay, so these three properties are of square. In the same way, we will talk about rectangle also. Next one we have rectangle. Second one, for the rectangle, once again you will make a diagram. With the diagram only you will try to understand it. Say it is A, B, C, D. In this what you will find, opposite sides are equal and parallel to. Okay, about the angles, all the angles are of 90 degree. And about the diagonals, you will say both the diagonals are equal and bisect each other, not at 90 degree. Okay, so first of all I write about the sides. Opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. Okay, now we will talk about the angles also. All the angles are equal and of 90 degree. Now one more is there, that is about the diagonals. About the diagonals we will say diagonals are equal and bisect each other, not at 90 degree. Are equal and bisect each other. Okay, so here about the rectangle we have seen three properties based on sides, based on angles and based on diagonals. Next I am going to explain about third one, it is rhombus. For the rhombus, first with the help of diagram only we will try to understand it. Saying A, B, C, D, change the order, in that there is no problem, but order should be clear. Okay, now if I talk about the sides, you will find all the sides are equal. And if I talk about the angles, so opposite angles are equal. And one more property is there, that is when we will add two of the consecutive angles, it will always make 180 degree. Okay, now about the diagonals, what you can say, diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So here first of all I write about the sides. All the sides are equal, like you can see in the square, all the sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. About the parallel I have told you now only. Now about the angles, what will say about the angles? Opposite angles are equal, opposite angles are equal and sum of any two consecutive angles is of 180 degree. Now we have to know about the diagonals also, that I am writing. For the diagonals, as I have told you, it will bisect each other and will make 90 degree. So diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So in this way, for the three special types of quadrilateral, we have seen now the properties. In the next video, I am going to explain rest of the three properties. So must watch that video also. Okay. What you have to do, all these three, you note it down in your notebook. You will not write like this. I am doing like this. There is a reason. I want that you know the comparison of these three. You compare it also, the properties. What is the difference there between these three? Okay, that is why I write it together like this only. But what I want, you write first of all a square, then after about the rectangle, then after about the rhombus, and then parallelogram, trapezium and kite. Okay, so you will do like this only. Okay, so just go through it. These three properties you memorize, because if you will not go through it, the next coming questions, there you will find problem. Okay, it will become difficult and you will not feel yourself comfortable. Okay, so it's really very important that you go through these properties. In the next video, coming there with the next three special types, we will know about the properties of that. So till then, thank you. Have a nice day.